welcome back. Hello, darlings. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Rose Madisha. Thank you guys for watching my previous video. To my regulars, I appreciate y'all. And if you happen to be new on this channel, kindly subscribe to your girl's channel. This channel is vibes on vibes, all things beauty, all things lifestyle, blogs, you name it. So basically, as you can see, this hair, darlings. Guys, you know, I have said before that I'm not a wig girl, but this wig, it choke. So basically, we're gonna be installing this hair from Dragon City. Yes, I got it at Dragon City. So guys, I'm gonna take you through it, how I install my wigs, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I'm gonna take you through the process of installing this beautiful wig. Watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell me what you think of this hair, darling. Tell me what you think about it on the comment section. Don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yeah, we'll do more videos on hair reviews. So yeah, let's go through it. So we're gonna try off this wig from Dragon City. I haven't really worn it since I bought it, so we're gonna try it out and install it and see how it looks. So first things first, gonna put on my wig cap. Call it Lugusha. I took Lugusha, guys, because there's no way this is a wig cap, because Nayaka, it's Lugusha, you know, the leg of your stockings. So I'm not gonna put them here because I can't. So I'm just gonna put it like this, right? And then I'm gonna apply glue right here. So like I'm just gonna push it a little back because I have a big forehead. And yeah, just like that. And then I'm gonna use Got2b glue. And you know, this glue, it takes a little bit longer drying, so we're gonna use a dryer for that. My wig is not like a frontal, but I don't want it to move around, so I just decided that I'm gonna put the Got2b glue. I think I'm gonna use my mirror because I'm not seeing properly with the camera. So I try very hard not to apply it on my hairline, the glue, of course, because my hairline is not that strong. So I just put it in front of the wig. I'll just see how it sits if I don't apply it on my thingy, my hairline, because most people apply it just in a bit further to their hairline, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'll see how it goes. I think I didn't apply much glue, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Oh my goodness, I can't even close this thing. It's gonna waste my time anyway. Yeah, I don't want my wig to move, nor do I want it to be snatched by the Yelper boys. So I'm gonna try by all means not to make it move by this glue. So if I blow my mirror towards this glue, it's gonna take forever. So I think I should just use a hair dryer, right? So now this is the wig. I haven't worn it since I bought it at Dragon City. As you can see, it's not a frontal, right? So the lace is just here, just only here on the front. So I'm gonna wear it and then make sure that it's firmly gripped on the glue. I hope it sticks. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, let's see if it's gripping. Oh, they made it so thick here in the front. So yeah, okay, I want this line to be like somewhere here. So you see, okay, my glue's not thoroughly thingy gripped. I'm gonna go with the hair dryer again. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut off this lacy thing using this. So I hope it's gonna work, or otherwise I have to use a scissor. So there we go. I'm not cutting my hair, guys. I'm even watching the camera now. I'm gonna use my mirror because now I don't want to make any mistakes. Oh, I think I'm cutting hair. Yeah. OMG. Yo. Yeah. I cut off the hair, guys. But I think I'm coming alright here. It's not a big deal. But I must not cut out too much hair because it's the first time I'm doing this wig. Yo. There we go. But it's still showing a little bit here. Get rid of that. And a little bit of that. Okay, so this glue is not thoroughly sticking out. When I tell you that this glue takes forever to dry, I mean it. So this is the hair. So now I'm going to use water mixed with conditioner. So you can use any conditioner as I was advised. Okay, why isn't the water coming out? Okay, it's because it's closed. Duh. But it's still not coming out. What is the meaning of this? Come on now. Maybe I didn't close it properly. Guys. Wow. It's not coming out. Check. What? Okay, I'll be right back. Guys, because this sprayer thing does not want to spray, decided to pour some water on my hands and just, you know, go through the hair like this because it refuses to work. You know, like, what is the meaning of this? Just using a little bit. Don't want to make it too wet because I'm gonna use the mousse. So yeah, I don't want it to be too wet. So yeah, I think just a little bit on the back. Wow, the ghetto. Right, so this is the line. I want the line to be a bit visible. So I'm gonna use a wax stick here just to make sure that the hair it's not standing up here on the line. So I'm gonna apply this wax stick. Just to make sure with the flyaway hair that's laid. Okay, just move the hair on the wax stick. I think it's visible now. And I'm gonna use a hair straightener because I don't have a hot comb for now, because I was never a wig girl, but I want to, you know, fall into that era. Okay, it's not switching on. Who come? Because I didn't switch it on. The for lighters. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna iron the hair just a bit here, so this part is a bit flat, you know. So I'm just waiting for my iron to be a bit hot, but we can apply. No, I want to apply the concealer after. I want to apply the concealer after and put mousse after. It's a bit hot. So yeah. This is my hair straightener. Just making sure it's hot here. Not yet hot. Okay, it's coming all right. So what I'm gonna do is just do this, you know. It's a bit hot. Just lay this area where my line is, because I don't have a hot comb, like that. Yeah, I think it's enough. By the way, you can also open a line in the middle because it's like a three-way closure thing. So yeah, cute, ain't it? So now, you know, just as easy as that. You know, if you want to do the baby hairs here, I can, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna use my olive matte mousse, not matte mousse, mousse. It's for hair, guys. So I'm gonna take a fair amount and just apply it on the hair. This hair is bomb. This hair is bomb. I love it. I even love the length. I think I'm gonna get a longer one, a frontal one. I want a long frontal one. Sure. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Back. I'm not gonna make it too wet. No, you're not doing that. You just want the curls to be defined, but I don't want it to be too wet. But it's so beautiful. Oh my god, why haven't I tried this wig on? I do not know, but it's beautiful. I love it. So yeah, this is Dragon City's hair. I don't know the I don't know the brand of the hair, but I bought it for like 850. Yeah, at Dragon City. Bought it for 850. So yeah, guys, this is how it looks after applying the mousse. I don't want to apply too much because I want a bit of volume. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Oh my word. It's so pretty. Like, check it out. It's so pretty. You know, close up so that you can see it. It's pretty. Dragon City hair. I like it. So yeah, I didn't apply too much mousse, but I think it's a fair share amount. And I'm gonna put a little bit of serum, of hair serum, silicone hair serum, just a little bit so that it shines a bit, a tiny little bit. I don't want it to look wet, right? So I'm just gonna spread in my hands like this, you know, and I want to apply concealer here a little bit so that the line can be visible, you know. So I'll come back with the rest of the look, or maybe I'll come and just show you how I apply the concealer. So I took my Wet n Wild concealer, and I just want to put a little bit of concealer on the line so that it's a bit visible. I don't want the lace to show, so I'm gonna put smaller amount of the concealer in here on the lace as well. You see that? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna just blend it out a bit, a little bit. And this is how it looks. I love it. I love the hair, and I think it suits me. I think it needs like big hoops. You understand? Yeah, I think I'll rock it with bigger hoops, you know, just for the vibes and the look. Yeah, I think it deserves big hoops. I'll come back with the hoops. So this is how it looks with the hoops. Ha! I'm telling you, child, this is so stunning. This is beautiful. Like, I look amazing. Wow. What? Girl. Mm-hmm. Woo! I love it. And guys, imagine I just didn't do a face beat. I just did a normal. I applied concealer and powder and lashes. Just a little bit of eyeshadow there and there. You know what I mean? I love it. I look amazing. Loose change for getting down.